Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Lonely by Pretty Much. Okay, so we're gonna play this with basic chords. We're not gonna use the capo. It's a very easy song. Let's get right into it. So the first chord is in A minor, and then we go to C, and then we go to F. Alright, so A minor is 0 0 2 2 1 0. And then C is 0 3 2 0 1 0. And then F is 1 3 3 2 1 1. But we're gonna be holding it like this, which is 1 0 3 2 1 0. Okay. Now the catch here is, for all your chords, you're going to be hammering on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So there's going to be 1 at that 3rd fret of the 1st string, right? So we're going to have A minor, and then we go to C, and then we go to F. Okay, that's if you want to play it exactly like it sounds on the song, but you can just strum the chords really. It will still sound okay. Also to note, if you're going to be doing you don't really have to be holding the whole chord. The only important notes are 1st fret of string number 2 and the 3rd fret of string number 1, and then the bass of whatever note you're playing. So for A, it's going to be open 5. For C, for A minor, it's going to be open 5th string, and then that's for A minor, and then for C it's going to be 3rd fret of the 5th string, and then 1st fret of the 6th string for your F, right? So here I'm just plucking 5 2 1. So that's 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 5 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2 5 2 1 5 2 1 5 2. Okay, so it's 6 2 1 6 2 1 6 2 for your F. So all right, so that's the intro. Let's get into the rest of the song. So that's A minor, C to A minor, C to F. That's your intro and verse. So okay, so that's it for the verses. Also, let's just cycle to find if there's a part where the chords change. Nope. Alright, so that's the same chords for the rest of the song, guys. Just A minor, C, and F. Alright, so let me show you the strumming pattern that I'll be using. How we have down, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down. Alright, that's pretty much it for the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.